and he said on April 13th, 2021, within days of the market top. This is probably going to be my least popular tweet ever, but if you have life-changing amounts of cryptocurrency, please take some time to seriously consider selling some to reduce your risk and exposure. This is not any kind of prediction about what the market will do. Right where that wick is the peak of the market. Let me move over just so you can see it. Right on there where my cursor is. April 14th, the top of XRP at $1.96. Pretty strange. What's up guys, Kevin Cage here with another crypto update. Super quick video today while I have power and while the internet is back since the hurricane. So, apologies for any background noise in this video. I have the generator running because we still don't have power. First up, shared by Bull Diep, an OG XRP member, we have an official announcement from Morningstar Japan, which is a subsidiary of SBI Holdings, to distribute 2,500 XRP to each intermediate shareholder, dated 2 days ago, and here is the official report. As you can see, XRP 2,500. And as you can see, just a couple weeks ago, SBI Group's cross-border e-commerce platform enables XRP payments. The platform is now taking payments in Bitcoin and XRP. It provides information on used automobiles and facilitates their exports. As we can see, another move to bring XRP to mainstream as SBI Africa's cross-border e-commerce platform SBI Motor Japan has started to accept payments in crypto. It's the first platform in the country to accept XRP as payments, another use case. Sorry, SEC. SBI is a major Japanese conglomerate. The mentioned cross-border e-commerce platform provides info on used vehicles to emerging countries around the world and facilitates the export of around 5,000 vehicles annually. The primary target markets include Tanzania, Kenya, Zambia, and other African countries, Ireland, the Cayman Islands, the Bahamas, and the Caribbean. And as we know, SBI is still one of the key partners of the company Ripple. Next up, looking at Lunar Crush and watching Hedera hash graph, I'm hoping there's still a big pump yet to come. I know they're listing HBAR in October, and HBAR's price performance has just not done well. And a lot of people may be looking at the chart, but the primary reason is this. As we open up Lunar Crush, you can see the circulating supply, and you can see HBAR circulating supply currently. It is 23 billion. And every few months, I do a video talking about the increase in the circulating supply. Last September, HBAR circulating supply was 9 billion. HBAR circulating supply has more than doubled over the past 12 months. If that wasn't the case, HBAR's price would still be sitting up much higher today. And I know the HBAR Foundation, the entire Hedera ecosystem is focused on long-term value, distributing these tokens, incentivizing, different ecosystems and providing liquidity. But man, it's just been a really long year. As you can see, HBAR's previous all-time high price was about 57 cents, almost 58 cents, right up there, and this is on Binance. And as you can see, since that high, that was in last September, so a year ago, when notice HBAR circulating supply was 9 billion, we've increased to 23 billion, and you can see that resulted also in a 90% crash. Now I know Bitcoin dumping in the market, entering a giant bear market was no help, but it's just crazy. We've crashed this much, this quickly, and have yet to have any type of retracement. Remember that Q&T is all the way up here, so if HBAR simply followed Q&T in the months ahead, that is a 22 cent HBAR. And if we followed what the XRP price chart just did, right around the 382 Fibonacci retracement, that would be a 13 to 14 cent HBAR coming back and testing these wicks. So 90% crash. And what's fascinating is that the Q&T price chart did a 90% crash, but its circulating supply virtually didn't change at all. Pretty weird. And also notice the XRP price chart. Let me turn off the lights. Going from the previous 2021 all-time high, we've crashed not 90%, but about 85%. And the funniest thing is, if you're new to XRP, check this out. Right here, last year's high, April 2021. So we're seeing this chart yet to surpass the all-time high price. April 14th, April 15th, 2021. What are the odds that David Schwartz, aka Joel Katz on Twitter, the CTO of the company Ripple, was an early contributor to the Bitcoin codebase, sits on the board of PolySign side by side the creator of XRP, Arthur Brito, and he said on April 13th, 2021, within days of the market top. This is probably going to be my least popular tweet ever, but if you have life-changing amounts of cryptocurrency, please take some time to seriously consider selling some to reduce your risk and exposure. This is not any kind of prediction about what the market will do. So that was April 13th at 4:15 p.m. Right where that wick is the peak of the market. Let me move over just so you can see it. Right on there where my cursor is. April 14th, the top of XRP at $1.96. Pretty strange. Next up, for all DAG chads out there in the Constellation ecosystem, so remember that Mainnet 2.0 is coming for Constellation, and also keep an eye on the Stargazer wallet. This is a 100% free wallet, and they've just been adding bridges across the board. And if you have a glitch where it's showing a $0 balance and you're freaking out, make sure your Chrome extension is up to date, or make sure that your mobile application is up to date. This happened to me and I had a panic attack. Okay, we can go to Stargazer, and I just want to point out they've been building bridges to BNB Chain, AVAX or Avalanche, and Polygon. Next up, shared by Casper Labs, we have an interview with the CEO and co-founder of Casper, with Rekt Vojak, another must follow. In quotes, "I expect 5 to 8 years from now, the public chain, meaning Casper's network, will be almost at capacity. Almost at full capacity. That would be insane." And you can see the full AMA, I did also retweet it. Also, shared by Lady of Crypto 1. If you guys are new to crypto, I think these tools are super helpful, so just wanted to give a quick shout out. And just talking about different tools to look for altcoins in the bear market when it's most important to research, looking for those 50x returns. A 50x from an all-time low price is not crazy, it is not unheard of. And if you find the right project with good tokenomics and it's early, specifically if it was in a pre-sale, it is significantly easier to get a 100x or even a 300x return. And I wish I could tell you I've had a bunch of 100x returns, but I haven't, unfortunately. I've had a couple, and QNT being one. But I've also been burned because I've had situations where I sell my entire bag of an alt because I just got impatient, I saw a new opportunity, decided to kind of risk it instead of holding a little for life. And I swear within months of me selling, then the alt just explodes. So that's always fun timing. So in this thread, Lady of Crypto is discussing using Twitter Advanced Search, using this feature, looking for different keywords like 50x crypto gems, and there's a variety of smaller accounts on Twitter that are unknown and they provide immense value. And remember that nobody's perfect, we've all made good calls and we've all made bad calls before. And in a bear market, it is significantly more risky to get into different ICOs, initial coin offerings, or pre-sales, token pre-sales, and buying them at a fraction of the price. And typically during these public sales, when the coins launch, they could launch at a price that is 3 times higher than when you bought it, and sometimes they could do another 10x from there and then crash. So if you're new to this and you're in any early ICOs or pre-sales or launch pads like this, definitely consider taking profit. Because when Moonbeam launched right here at 25 cents, went as high as, let's just say, 50 bucks, a 20,000% pump. I can guarantee that all of the exchanges like Kraken and KuCoin definitely took profit. And if you don't take profit, somebody else will, as you can see a 99% drop wick to wick. And the crazy thing is that I do believe Glimmer can recover big time in the future. So I definitely recommend checking out this website called ICO Drops, and this is super helpful specifically right before the bull run for the people that were lucky enough that were in pre-sales at the end of 2020 as Bitcoin was just starting to rocket, like right before January 2021, and they were able to get their tokens. There were retail investors that turned $10,000 into millions. So you can go to ICOdrops.com and you can keep tabs on this. It's just I'm not super confident right now during a bear market. Now during a retracement, oh yeah, I know the activity is slower, there's less investors, there's less interest during a bear market, which is understandable. Also by James Filan for the XRP community, here's the SEC's argument as I interpret it. We aren't saying XRP is a security per se. What we're saying is that any purchase of XRP as a matter of economic reality is an investment in a common enterprise with other XRP holders and with Ripple. Whether it's horizontal commonality or strict vertical commonality, it is an investment in a common enterprise with other XRP holders and with Ripple. So while XRP may not be a security per se, there's no other possible way to offer or sell XRP except as a security. And I love James Filan, an amazing defense lawyer, so I'm happy that he's putting this together and paraphrasing the SEC's response, which makes it a lot easier to understand. It's just ironic with Hinman and the entire free pass essentially calling Ethereum a commodity on live news years ago, and the SEC does not see the hypocrisy, and yet it was proven that the SEC officials, or I should say SEC employees, were trading XRP, insider trading, and timing it and shorting it while they made the announcement that they were coming after Ripple. That is corrupt as it gets. And when you realize what the SEC is saying, no matter how it's framed, the judgment that the SEC wants is one that incorporates secondary sales. See screenshot below where the SEC uses the word a purchase and all units. First, the undisputed facts show that, as a matter of economic reality, a purchase of XRP is an investment in a common enterprise with other XRP holders and with Ripple. All units of XRP are fungible, meaning easily exchangeable, with each other, just like a dollar bill. And the price of all units of XRP rise or fall equally. And last but not least, this will be linked right in the top of the YouTube video description. This is my favorite OTC or over-the-counter broker. You can directly trade and swap any crypto to any crypto. And using the link below, you also get a 30% discount on all trading fees. So I've been using Caleb and Brown for over a year. They've actually been around for years. And I'm tight with their broker Jake, so if you do sign up, be sure to tell them that Kevin Cage sent you so that you do get a 30% discount on all trading fees. And this is what the big boys use for large sums of money. I don't personally trust having a bunch of money on Coinbase or Binance US. So I can send big bank wires to these guys. I can send crypto, they can send me crypto, or they can just wire me money. It is super easy. If you have an LLC, you can trade using your LLC, which I've done before. They have different businesses, they have different hedge funds that use their services, they have different retail investors just like me as an individual, and they have dozens of liquidity providers, meaning that if Coinbase ever crashes or Binance crashes, I can still trade my crypto using their platform because we have a variety of partners around the globe. So it's free to create an account. This will be linked right in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate hitting the like button and subscribing. Let me know your thoughts down below. And as always, my link tree is linked right in the top of this YouTube video description with all links, crypto resources, and discounts. I'll catch you in the next one.